Hello, Zay Automotive Reviews. Now, the first 2021 Ford Base Bronco rolls off the assembly line. And this is just a look at this. I mean, just look how gorgeous this baby look. Rolling off the assembly line. It's just awesome, folks. Awesome, awesome, awesome. The Base Bronco. This is how your Base Bronco gonna look. There's a lot, to be appreciated, on a base model Bronco. It's not like you have to get anything. Just look at that. This is in your face. It looks just awesome. It's stupendous. Now, while plenty of people will pay the price to bring home a 2021 Ford Bronco in the Badlands or Wildtrak trim, perhaps the most intriguing trim level is the inexpensive, uncomplicated Base Bronco. With a price tag of $30,000, with a destination delivery, the Base provides a nice blank canvas for folks that want to buy their own wheels and tires and add other modifications. This just looks awesome, folks. Awesome, 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 awesome. I think it's the word I want to use is stupendous. I really like the way this Ford Bronco look. Bronco all the way, baby. Just Bronco all day, all night. Now, for those looking to go that route, it's worth noting that the very first pre-production Base Bronco rolled off the assembly line at Ford Michigan Assembly Plant, and it looks great. And it reported, too, that the two-door iconic silver Base and a counterpart, an Oxford White four-door Badlands model, were built to test out the tooling at the plant. And quite honestly, this Ford Bronco is nice, folks. Just straight up nice. Nothing like it, folks. Even in the base model, the back end, just look at that. Everything can be easily taken off. All the panels, can be taken off the Ford Bronco quite easily. And you see this base model, you see that it is definitely true that it could be taken off. And I really like this. You're not going to find anything like this Bronco, because Bronco is just doing it, folks. And just like Al Cool J said, it's doing it well, folks. Bronco all the way. The Base Bronco coming off the assembly plant. What can you say? It's Bronco all day, folks. Now, Bronco Nation was there to capture photos of the assembly process and also provide these shots of a completed Base Bronco. Both the Base and the Badlands are equipped with the 2.3 liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder, which produces 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of whopping torque. Now, the Base features 4 new 7-speed manual transmission, while the Badlands is equipped with a 10-speed automatic. So this is a quite awesome machine, folks. Just look at it. Now, the two-door is clearly a very simple, bare-bones model, but it's fitted with a black hard top. The wheels are 4 new 16-inch bright polished silver painted Steelies, which are the base trim level standard wheels. For the most part, they're likely just placeholders for people intent of purchasing a set of aftermarket wheels and the big knobby off-road tires. So basically, the people that do buy these, they want to fix them up, but a lot of people just want to keep their prices down. And one day, say to themselves, one day, I'm going to get this. I'm going to get these wheels one day. And you just keep working hard and keep making your dreams come true and pursuing it, and then become a reality. Bang. Those nice wheels. Bang. You get all the different accessories and everything else as well. Ford Bronco is just awesome, folks. We taking a look at the base, more closer look at the base model. And alternatively, buyers, can opt for a Sasquatch package to the Base and keep up the 35-inch bedlock capable wheels, tires. Now, later in 2021, This package will also be available with the manual transmission, so which is another story that we're going to talk about a little bit more in detail. Now, these Broncos are just pre-production models, and we're still a ways off from seeing the actual production Ford Bronco emerge from the Michigan assembly plant, as deliveries aren't scheduled to begin until June, and that date is moving back, folks. Moving back. There's always something going on in the world, but just keep hope alive, as has been said by famous people in the past. Keep hope alive, and sooner or later, your Ford Bronco is going to be sitting in your parking lot. Not in the parking lot. Yeah, it's going to be at the parking lot where you work at, but it's also going to be in your driveway and parked in your garage. That's just awesome, folks. The Ford Bronco is just doing it. It's just doing it. And doing it big, folks, with the Sasquatch package. And it's going to be available in the manual transmission. Now, Ford was testing the prototype equipped with the Sasquatch package and Fomoco 7-speed manual transmission. This was mere weeks after the automaker admitted that it was listening to the enthusiasts who flooded the automaker's social media web outlets with requests for this particular combination, which wasn't initially slated to be offered. Now it's official. The 2021 Ford Bronco Sasquatch package will be available with the manual transmission after all. Now the Blue Oval confirmed this change, and it's a welcome update that proves the automaker has been listening to you, to the people, to the customers, and that's what's going to make this SUV awesome piece like the G-Wagon. The Ford Bronco is coming, and it's coming hard. The Bronco community spoke, and Ford heard them, according to Mark Gruber, Ford Bronco Consumer Marketing Manager. Our team moved quickly to add the Sasquatch with a manual transmission. Another example of the focus on giving customers the best possible off-road vehicle and accessories that they can. And they done it, and they listened, and it's just straight up awesomeness, folks. And so the base model, again, you get the basic base model, $30K, including delivery and everything else. You can't beat it. And then if you want to, you can opt for the Sasquatch package. That's just something else with the 35-inch off-road tires, which is a great combination, folks. The Bronco Sasquatch package adds the Goodyear mud-terrain rubber wrapped in 17-inch bit-lock capable wheels, Dana front, rear electronic locking axles with a 4.7-to-1 final drive ratio, and a high clearance suspension with a nearly 2-inch wider track, position sensitive Bilston shocks, and the wider fender flares. So you can't beat it. The Bronco Sasquatch package is going to be available across the whole lineup, including the base. Hey, can I get a rah ha 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 hooray? And the Big Bend, the Black Diamonds, the Outer Banks, the Badlands, the trim level. It is standard on the Bronco Wildtrak, the first edition models. And boy, those 7,000 people, they have made an awesome decision to get the first edition models. Only going to be 7,000 of them out there. So, boy, they struck gold. And what nice gold it is. Now, while the Badlands series is equipped with the Sasquatch package and the standard semi-active hydraulic front stabilizer bar, disconnect result in the ultimate Bronco rock crawler. Crawling on those rocks, baby. And it's just straight up awesome. Capability is always a priority. And the Sasquatch with the manual transmission and the available 4x4 system gives it a maximum crawl ratio of 94.75 to 1. Providing even more off-road capability across the whole lineup. Now, that's according to David Perricack, Ford Icon Global Director. Now, back to these beautiful, beautiful base model Broncos. You can't beat it, folks. I mean, just look at that. I mean, look at that front end. That front end is just amazing. I mean, Ford is doing it, folks, and doing it big. And it's great to be a part of. It's great to be a part of the Ford Bronco experience. And it's great to also share these videos and share all this with you guys. Bronco love. This is Bronco, baby. And this is Bronco. It's awesome, folks. Awesome all the way. Look at them tires. Just look at that. I mean, even though the base model Steelies, it still looks sharp. And so much potential in this base model Bronco. So much room for customization. I mean, to do what you want to do to it, and you will do what you want to do to it. and you will, you know, raise up and raise up above. Get your beadlock, tires. Get all the different kind of packages. Get the wrench that goes up on the front. Get all that. Get some beautiful tires. Those, I mean, you won't have to deal with the steelies too long. But if you do have those steelies, honestly, it just actually the base model looks the most vintage of all of them. You look at that. I mean, you just look. I mean, it just says nothing but Bronco. Just look at that. This is just awesome, folks. This is Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And have an awesome, awesome day. And remember, if no one told you today, I'm telling you that you're fantastic. Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.